Hi, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be giving the solution to the question I asked in the previous video. In case you missed the previous video, you can always click on the link above to watch the video before you continue with this. All right. So now, how do we solve that problem? How do we solve the question? The question says what? We should draw this shape. All right. And then we've drawn the first triangle. How are we going to get the second triangle? Now, to get the second triangle, you need the angle. So don't forget that what this angle is what 180, and then the angle that we're going to be using right there is 120. So 120, this is supposed to be 120, and then we have 60 degrees left. So that means our total would have to turn 60 degree to this direction in order to get this angle. Another way you can do it is actually the simple way. Come to the action, click on what turn left 60 degree, and then start experimenting. Yeah, that is the best way. You experiment your moves. For example, if you say 60, and then you have to tell it to move forward so that you know the direction. So 60, and then let's say 150. So can you see now it's moving in that direction? But let's say, what if 60 doesn't work? Let's say you try 30. You see that 30 would move to this direction, so that's wrong. You change that again to what? Change the next one to 90. 90 is way too far, so that means it's going to be between 30 and 90. So when you say what? 70, 70 is way too far. So I feel 60 is going to be the best angle, and then that's what we have done. So how do you get the angle for the second one? It's still the same thing. Go back to action, and then you select what? Turn left, and then you're going to select 60 degree again. Now after selecting 60 degree again, I'm going to tell it to move forward 150 times, 150 pixels. Can you see? That means 60 degree did not work because we're turning. So let's try another angle. Let's say 90. 90 will not work. So that means we're going to be turning 120. 120 would work. So that is how to experiment your work in order to be able to draw the shape. So this is the code to draw this shape that I asked you to draw in the previous class. I hope you were able to get it. I hope it's not really hard for you to get this concept. In the next video, I'm going to be introducing to you loops. But before I show you how to write loops, I'll first solve another problem. I'll solve another question that has to do with drawing a window. And after that, I will introduce to you loops. So I need you to subscribe, like this channel, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends about this channel, and we promise you great content coming your way. Okay, until then, I want you to say stay blessed and keep flourishing.